Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this problem without a calculator. So we have 50 to the power of 100 divided by 100 to the power of 50. So now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take 50 here, and as you can see, it's to the power of 100. However, 100 is equal to 2 times 50, right? So I'm just going to say 50 to the power of 2 times 50. And we're going to divide this by now 100. This is equal to 2 times 50. So now we have 2 times 50 to the power of 50. Now, this is going to equal 50 to the power of 2 times 50 is simply equal to 50 to the power of 50 plus 50. Now we're going to divide this by 2 times 50 to the power of 50. This would equal 2 to the power of 50 times 50 to the power of 50. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So 50 to the power of 50 plus 50, this would equal 50 to the power of 50 times 50 to the power of 50. And we are dividing this with 2 to the power of 50 times 50 to the power of 50. And as you can see, we have 50 to the power of 50 in the numerator and the denominator, so these two would cancel out. And this would equal 50 to the power of 50 over 2 to the power of 50. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m over b to the power of m, this is equal to a over b to the power of m. So 50 to the power of 50 over 2 to the power of 50, this is going to equal 50 over 2 to the power of 50. And this is equal to 50 divided by 2 is 25. So 25 to the power of 50. Now 25, this is the same thing as 5 squared. So this is equal to 5 squared to the power of 50. And if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So this is going to equal 5 to the power of 2 times 50, which is simply just 5 to the power of 100. So this is our answer. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential problem without a calculator. So we have 2 to the power of 18 minus 2 squared. Now, what I'm first going to do is I'm simply going to ignore this 2 squared, and let's go ahead and focus here on 2 to the power of 18. So if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this can be written as a to the power of m times n. And this same thing actually also works vice versa. If we have something in the form a to the power of m times n, this can be written as a to the power of m to the power of n. So as you can see here, we have 2 to the power of 18, and 18, this can be written as 9 times 2, right? So now we have 2 to the power of 9 times 2 minus 2 squared. Now 9 times 2, remember a to the power of m times n, this can be written as a to the power of m to the power of n. So 2 to the power of 9 times 2, this can be written as 2 to the power of 9 to the power of 2. Now minus 2 squared. Now 2 to the power of 9 squared is the same thing as 2 to the power of 9 times 2 to the power of 9. Now minus 2 squared. And 2 to the power of 9 is 512. You guys should know that because you guys should know your powers of 2. So now we have 512 times 512 minus 2 squared. Now 512 times 512 is 262,144. And we have minus 2 squared is the same thing as 4. And this is equal to 262,144 minus 4 is simply 262,140. So this is our answer.